Hello, today we will guide you through how to make payment voucher in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll create a payment voucher, often called a remittance advice in QuickBooks Online, so you can confirm to a vendor exactly what you paid and which bills were covered. First, go to QuickBooks Online. From the main dashboard, move your mouse over Expenses. This menu is where QuickBooks organizes all outgoing money activity, bills, expenses, and the payments you've made. So it's the natural place to start when preparing a voucher or remittance. Next, click Expense Transactions. This opens the full list of expense-related entries. You'll see bills, bill payments, and other expenses in one place. If your list is long, don't worry, we'll narrow it down in a moment. Now, select the expense you want to use by clicking its checkbox. Be sure you're choosing the actual payment you made to the vendor, not just the original bill. The payment entry is what feeds the voucher with the right amount, date, and reference details. To make that easier, open the All Transactions drop-down near the top of the list. This is your filter. By default, it may show everything, which can be overwhelming. Click to change the filter to Bill Payment. This focuses your view on completed payments only, which is exactly what you need for a voucher or remittance advice. With the correct payment selected and the list filtered to bill payments, look for the option labeled Send Remittance and click it. QuickBooks will prepare a remittance advice based on the payment you chose. This document summarizes which bills were paid, the amounts applied, and the payment method. It's what your vendor expects when they ask for a payment voucher. A send window now appears with the remittance details. Take a moment to review what you see: the vendor name, the payment date and amount, and the bills associated with that payment. Accuracy here prevents confusion later. When everything looks right, click Send. QuickBooks will deliver the remittance to your vendor using the contact details on file and record that you sent it, keeping your audit trail tidy. That's it. You've created and sent a payment voucher in QuickBooks Online. If you don't see the Send Remittance option, double-check that you selected a bill payment in the filter and that the specific payments checkbox is ticked. After sending, you can always return to the expenses area to confirm the activity and keep your records organized. Thanks for following along, and great job keeping your vendor communications clear and professional.